All right, so we're at Easy Wash and Dry in Arlington, and this is the first one of the HVAC units going up on the roof. Kind of cool. I mean, that is a big crane. And there it goes. The other video I did from inside because it's 107 degrees here in Dallas today, but I couldn't pass this up. There go the guys up the side, which I am not going to be doing because it must be about 800 degrees up there, and they'll place it as it comes down. Oh. Hand signals. Okay, let her go. Up. And ooh, I want to get out that side. Yeah, I guess they're rotating it. There you go, there's the hand signal. And there you have it. A good legitimate placement of a HVAC unit. Nothing going on America's Funniest Home Videos, but that's how it's done.